Hello my friends and my lovely viewers, hope all you are doing very well. Today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how much does it cost to make a WordPress blog. So without wasting any time, let's get into our desktop. Welcome to today's video tutorial on cost breakdown building a WordPress blog. If you are looking to start your own blog, it's essential to understand the cost involved. In this video tutorial, I will discuss the various factors that contribute to the cost of building a WordPress blog. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Here are the main facts those contribute to the cost of building a WordPress blog. Domain name. A domain name is a unique address used to access website, such as google.com is a name, facebook.com is a name. Choosing the right domain name is the first success of your online business. So, what is the right domain name? In a word, niche-related, simple, easy to remember, and short name. Domain cost can be different by company and category. Namecheap, HostGator, Bluehost, all these are company to register domain and hosting too. Let's search a domain. For example, I want to create a food blog website. This is the domain name I want to buy. In Namecheap, this will cost me only around $10 a year. Next year, I have to renew it with around $14. They will cost you to around $13 for the first year. In the next year, you have to renew it in around $18. Namecheap is cheaper than HostGator. We can write minimum around $14 to maximum $18. Let's make this font size bigger. Hosting is also similar to domain name. In different provider, it will cost you different. WordPress recommended hosting is Bluehost, DreamHost, SiteGround. You can host your site, others hosting platform too, that's not problem. But as Bluehost is WordPress recommended hosting, let's see the Bluehost price. They have shared hosting, dedicated hosting, and BPS hosting. As you want to host your website as blogging purpose, so I think shared hosting is more than enough. I think basic plan is more than enough for you to host your blog. So around $3 per month. Let's list it. Equal 2.95. This is the minimum cost for 1 year, and you can make it for maximum. This is for online store. So 5.45. Maximum is 5.45 to 12. 12-month cost is $65. We have domain name and hosting. Now we have to configure our blog. To configure our blog, we need themes and plugins. There are lots of free themes available in WordPress directory. Let's see themes. If you search in blog theme, there are a lots of available free theme in this directory. You can choose any of these. Moreover, there are many other themes marketplace. Those are offers basic themes for free, and you have option to choose premium theme. And I recommend you to choose premium theme. Popular theme marketplace is themeforest.net. SmartMake is a popular premium theme. You can choose any other theme, but I like this theme because this is the one of the most popular premium theme in this marketplace. Their regular price is $59 and now they are offering only $30. So let's write down themes only $30. Maximum is $100. There are lots of free plugins available in the marketplace, but you have option to buy premium plugins. But I think free plugins is good enough for now. If you need any special feature to your WordPress website later, you can install it anytime you want. To ensure the smooth operation and security of your WordPress blog, regularly maintenance and security measures are essential. Let's explore the associate cost. You have to take scheduled backup of your blog. if somehow you lost your website, so you can restore that from your backup. There are lots of free plugins to do that. Moreover, you can do that manually. I have a video tutorial on it, link in the description. To secure from malware and hacking attempts, you should improve security of your blogging. Let's make it around $10 and maximum is $40. Yearly 10 is to 12. Yearly $120 and maximum is 40 is to 12, $480 maximum. You can take your backup your own. It's easy. So you don't need to pay any extra cost. Maximum you can hire someone to take your WordPress backup. I think it's not required. Now let's calculate the total cost. Building a WordPress blog can take you around $200 to around $660. Now what is the developer cost? It can different from developer to developers. Someone will develop your blog only for $100. Someone will charge you $1,000. It can differ from developer to developer. But I have a good news for you. It's free for you. I will build your WordPress blog for free. What I will do there? I will help you to choose your name. I will help you to choose your hosting. I will configure and customize your theme and plugin. I will make secure your WordPress blog. All these are 100% free. Why I will do that for you? This is the detailed article how and why I will install your WordPress blog for free. I will give this link in video description. Hope to see you there. As I'm giving you the free service, don't think I'm a beginner developer. I am an expert developer with 12 years experience.